Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, today also in this video I'm gonna unbox and review a product. So guys, I got this product from takealot.com. Since winter is coming soon in South Africa, so I thought let me buy a heater for my room. The product is from Luxell fan heater. So this is what the box looks like. Let me remove the box and show you. Here all the description has been given about the heater fan. I got black color, but you'll get with a different color, guys. So guys, it is of two different power settings, that is 1000 watt and 2000 watt. So you can have three temperature settings, that is hot, warm and cold. It has cool air function and adjustable thermostat, and it also has a overheat protection. You'll also get the user manual where it has clearly explained how it works. So I'm gonna give you demo also. So now I just plug it into the socket, and what I gonna do is I gonna start it. I am in the first switch, which indicates it is of a cool air. The next one which I'm going to switch is a warm. It runs under 1000 watt. So next, if I gonna switch it, it will give you a hot air of 2000 watt. And also you can adjust the speed in the left hand side, and this is the one you'll get with the hot air of 2000 watt. So this is the one where you can increase or decreases the fan speed. So guys, according to me, whether it's worth to buy or not, let me tell you, I got this for 370 rupees on takealot.com, and I got this for my room. I think for room it's definitely gonna fit it well. It functions very quickly by giving a hot or warm air, and I think it's the best for that price. But the only disadvantage is the noise, the fan noise. You can hear it off. And guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. For more videos, do subscribe, and thank you so much.